Many people are overusing AI agents. There's a lot of hype around AI agents right now. And when people have a business problem now, they're often reaching to AI agents to help them solve it. But that's often a mistake. There are some good uses for AI agents, but there are also some bad uses for AI agents. And if you use AI agents where you probably shouldn't, you're going to end up with something that is slower, more expensive to build, more expensive to run and maintain, harder to debug, and sometimes worse. So in this video, we're going to cut through that. I'm going to explain where you should use agents, where you probably should not use agents, and how to think about this like an engineer so you stop chasing hype. Because once you understand this, you stop over-engineering your systems and you start building systems that actually work. Okay, let's start with the core principle here of what makes something a good use case for an AI agent. Here's the key principle. You should consider using an AI agent when you need something that can dynamically make decisions and make plans at runtime, and then take actions based on those plans in order to accomplish a task. So an AI agent does involve execution, but it also includes dynamic decision-making at runtime. Next, let's talk about some signals that suggest you should use an agent. You should consider using an agent when you have dynamic workflows that might change from case to case, instances as well where you have open-ended tasks, uncertain tasks, tasks that need intermediate planning and checking of those plans. You should consider using an agent when you need a system that can use tools but can select those tools dynamically at runtime. So circumstances where the tool use is not fixed. You should also consider an AI agent where you have multi-step tasks and those steps can change. You should also consider using an agent where there's some sort of decide, act, reflect loop where there needs to be a decision that's made, an action, and then a reflection on that, and continuing to iterate through that until some sort of stopping condition is met. An important through line in all of the signals that I just gave you, though, is you should consider an AI agent when the steps of processing cannot be fully specified beforehand. By the way, if you want to understand if your business is ready to use and implement AI to maximum effect, then take our AI readiness assessment. You can find the link in the description below. Click on the link. It's only about 15 questions. It takes less than 4 minutes. It's free, and it's going to give you a clear picture on how ready you and your business are to use AI to generate business value. So click on the link in the description below and take our free AI readiness assessment. Next, let's look at some signals of when not to use agents. You should typically avoid using an agent if you have a single LLM step, so something like a single prompt into an LLM and then an output for that. Avoid agents if you have a fixed workflow. If you have a deterministic set of steps, you can probably use some deterministic code. Avoid agents if you have just a